Using LinkedIn to market your business is a powerful way to generate new customers and build relationships with current ones. In fact, a recent study done by Octopus showed that when looking at business leads generated through social media, a whopping 80.33% were generated through LinkedIn. Yes, there's no question about it. LinkedIn is an incredibly effective way to be marketing your business. The problem is, most people don't even know where to start. Simply follow the information on the screen to get started today.
How to generate targeted leads from LinkedIn. In this video today, I will go through in detail about 20 best tips to generating targeted leads from LinkedIn. So please watch the video to the end to get all step by step in detail. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and hit the bell of notification so you will be notified first as soon as I upload all my future videos. So let's get started. Tip number 1. Be specific. Inform people on LinkedIn that who you are, what you do, and how you can help them. So those who lands on your LinkedIn company page, that will definitely like your LinkedIn page. Tip number 2. Add a website. You can include up to 3 links to your LinkedIn profile. Increase your viewers' curiosity by adding customized link to your website. Tip number 3. Be creative. Be creative with LinkedIn profile to stand out from the crowd. Stand out by including a short relevant video that automatically starts when people lands on your profile page. Tips number 4. Ask to connect. When someone view your profile, reach out them and ask them to connect. To gain more leads, you need to communicate with everyone who shows an interest in your page. Tips number 5. Add a contact information. In your LinkedIn page summary, be sure to include your contact information and a link to the contact page on your website. Tip number 6. Answer all questions. LinkedIn has a section that people can ask questions from professionals. Take some time to answer most of the questions with reasonable response, then follow up with a private message to the person. Tip number 7. Join groups discussion. Become a member of LinkedIn group that are relevant to your niche and join in the discussion. This will help more people become aware of who you are and what you do. Tips number 8. Create an event. Create a business networking event and promote it on LinkedIn. Take the conversation offline and meet more people face to face. Tip number 9. Introduce others. Start sending introduction to most your contact who you see that could mutually benefit each other's businesses. Tip number 10. Recommend others. When someone has a great product or service, make sure you write an excellent recommendation. More recommendation you give, the more connection you will receive. Tip number 11. Share updates. Every time you share an update or post your message along with a link to your profile, that will shows up on your newsfeed of your connection. This will help to establish you as an expert and will get more views on your LinkedIn profile. Tips number 12. Utilize LinkedIn ads. They are more affordable than you think and can be used for more than just generating leads. Tip number 13. Conduct an advanced search. With LinkedIn advanced search capabilities, you can narrow down your search results to those users who fits within your target audience parameters. Tip number 14. Utilize direct messaging. Direct messages on LinkedIn is one of the most effective way that you can drive more sales. Tips number 15, post regularly. Make sure that you are posting and sharing content on a regular basis, link and content outside of LinkedIn, and long form posts created with LinkedIn Pulse. Tip number 16, contribute to discussion. To broaden your connection to reach, identify discussions that are popular and start commenting on the relevant topics. Tip number 17, sponsor updates. Promote your business with sponsor updates. Reach most significant number of users. Tip number 18, engage with your audience. Be sure to reply each and every comment that you receive, even if it is just compliments on your content. Tips number 19, optimize your company page. Just like with your company website, you must optimize your page with right and relevant keywords to make it easier to find in searches. Tip number 20, to create showcase. Promote specific products or cater to individual buyer personas with LinkedIn Showcase. And that's all these 20 secret tips to generating targeting leads from LinkedIn. I hope that will help you to get better starts with your LinkedIn marketing. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, then please subscribe and hit the bell of notification so you will get notification as soon as I upload a new video. I wish you best luck for all your future projects. See you later next time.